Hi, I will show you how to use the macOS help menu to get answers to any queries you may have regarding macOS. Ironically, help is right in front of you, at the help menu. This feature is easily overlooked, but it's home to some surprising and extremely handy features that every user can benefit from. Apart from being a useful first port of call for any queries you may have about the application in use or your Mac in general, it also serves as a menu navigator. You can use the keyboard shortcut command, Shift, / to quickly access the macOS help menu. At the top of the help menu is a search field for typing in the subject you need help with. Below this, you'll also see a direct link to the help documentation for the currently active application, which is useful for looking up topics manually. If it's an Apple app you're using, search results come from the official macOS user guide, while the direct help link below the search field takes you straight to the relevant section of the guide, or in the case of Finder, the main contents page. It's important to remember that if the active app is a third-party one, the contents of the help menu can differ depending on how much effort the developer has put into it. For example, some apps may include frequent asked question, manuals, or links to online help, while others may offer very little. You can get some very useful info on Time Machine, Photos, iMovie and other Apple apps. Next time you have a question, give it a try. You have nothing to lose. Just make sure you are on the internet, as the help function gets all the info from the net. If you would like to see more videos related to Macintosh computers or Apple products in general, please go to my channel, Addicted to Macintosh, and look at the playlists. There are many videos on many different Apple products, including macOS High Sierra. You can also check my Bootcamp playlist. There are many videos on how to install Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 on a Macintosh. Check it out. Addicted to Macintosh YouTube channel. Hundreds of Apple-related videos uploaded. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, and viewing.